Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to navigate our extensive content library.
Click on the Content tab at the top of the dashboard screen. On the left-hand side, you will be able to see the main subjects that we offer to our New Zealand primary schools. An additional menu is available by clicking on the Show More Subjects button at the bottom. Start by pinning the core subjects that you will use to the top of the page. You can unpin these just as easily by clicking on the pin. When you click on a subject area, you will be given the opportunity to view the subject's video overview on the right. For Maths and Science, our folders are broken down into skills and curriculum level folders containing contextual and skill lessons. For English and Literature, content is broken down into skills and contextual lesson titles, then according to curriculum levels. Languages are structured by skill level with beginner folders at the top, moving down to intermediate and advanced levels if available. New content will be displayed at the top of the list in each folder. Core curriculum areas have a resource folder called Teacher Guides and Resource or Teacher Guides. Within the Maths Teacher Guides, you will find comprehensive curriculum maps that outline all of the lessons that we have available and what New Zealand curriculum achievement objective they match up to. These are printable and are a great way to ensure curriculum coverage throughout the year. Within each subject, you can use the search bar on the top right to find the lesson you are looking for and filter these results to the author, the curriculum level, and the type of lesson you are looking for. Our yellow light bulb lessons are our smart lessons that contain a range of scaffolded information slides teamed up with both short answer and long answer questions. These are our most common lessons used on EP. The purple list, red ABC, or blue language learning icons all indicate lists. These are great for quickfire learning that require repetition. Finally, our green exams or assessment icons indicate an assessment that can include a range of question styles or reporting options. After navigating through the folders and subfolders, you will come to the lesson or lessons available. A summary of the lesson you select will appear on the right. Preview this lesson by clicking the Preview button. The top section provides an overview. For example, this lesson was created by EP and will take your students approximately 39 minutes to complete. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see how this lesson has been structured. Yellow information slides appear at the start and are placed throughout the lesson to ensure that students are scaffolded and supported to achieve higher learning potential. The purple and target circles indicate short answer questions that are automatically marked by our system. These questions are designed to engage students' interest by providing a range of different style questions including multiple choice, fill in the gaps, highlight the answer, annotated answers, and drop-down questions. The last type of slide is our extended response questions that can be self-marked against a model answer by your students and then manually marked by you as the teacher. Long answer questions enable your students to demonstrate their understanding of topics in greater detail by submitting written long answers, sound recordings, using the scratch pad, typing maths equations, and uploading files or media. On the top right, you can view this lesson exactly as your students will see it. You can share a link so students and teachers can access this lesson from their point of view. Assign this lesson from here as a task or assessment, or send it to the Google Classroom for your students to access it from there. And finally, you can add this lesson to your own content so you can customize and edit it.
Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to navigate our content library. Remember to reach out to an EP expert if you have any questions regarding these videos.